Now go towel, wipe your hands.
Wow, today so good Wake up from wrong side of bed sit down. You know I strike 4D, is it? Then how much money you want?
Oh, you cannot like that say. Blood is thicker than money.
5 seconds, you tell me what you want. If not, I walk away 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, go. All my friends got PS5, then I want PS5 also.
All your friends. What kind of friends?
From like Indonesia, KL, JB, and Hong Kong.
You got so many friends got PS5, just go their house play simple. Aiyo.
I just want the PS5 myself.
Don't say towel ask you help me take toilet paper that time I say, toilet paper The toilet paper never come. Today so nice, just for PS5.
1 minute, please.
You help me settle something, I buy you PS5.
Okay,
come. That time I accidentally dropped the TV, then got all this crack. Like not nice like that. You're able to help me fix all this crack, I give you PS5.
Steady go, I show you. See? It's fixed.
Hello, this one called fix fix your head fix. No need PS5 just go your friend house play.
Go, wait. Mom is always complaining that the house is very bad. They want renovation. Then plus you got this crack. Then why not you find Renopedia as they have over 200 experience in interior design firm for you?
Because of crack, I go and renovate the whole house
Make mom happy ma?
Don't worry I already decided to renovate the whole house already. I already signed on Renopedia already. Then I already choosing ID already. Going to redesign the whole home.
Then after you renovate the whole house, this crack, no more right?
No more?
Then the crack is fixed right?
Yes?
Thank you. PS5.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg! Renopedia, the online leading renovation platform with 200 plus interior design firms creating dream homes for you.